So you guys, as you can see, this is the my Xiaomi Amazfit SmartWatch, and it has some weird problem here that it's not charging. That's the main thing. It's not charging. First, I thought maybe it's some cleaning issues. I also Google it and I got lots of information related to cleaning issues that I have to clean in order to fix that problem. So I done that, but still it's not working perfectly. Whenever I connect to charging, it's just blink for some time. It's just lighting blink. Then again it's go back to blank mode and it's not showing anything. I tried many power bank, many chargers, also many data cable, and it's still the same problem. So you can see, let me just enter. So this pin I have cleaned that, and still I don't know what to do. I'm sure power is coming. Something is wrong with this watch. It's not with adapter, because power is going on inside the phone, and phone is just turning for some time, just for some second, and then again it's just go blank. That's the main problem is happening. I have done Google research and I did not get any information. So this is my second time. First, even before that, I have faced similar issues, but that time it's not able to charge. So I just cleaned that pin and charging port, the pointer, and it started charging the last time. But this time is giving power supply, but it's not. I mean, it's blinking. First time it's blink, but then again it's go back to same mode. So let me show you in my digital meter how is okay. I mean, adapter is working really fine here. It's not any wiring issues. It's not any wiring issues. As you can see the meter is, and I'm receiving voltage almost 5 volt, 5.33 volt I am receiving on the power. So it's not power issues. Power is coming fine as needed. But whenever I insert that watch into that adapter, is showing the same problem. Sorry for my bad English. I am not expert in English language and I know just little bit. So now then what I did, I directly I thought maybe it's problem of adapter maybe. So I cut a USB and directly wire the plus minus, ground and plus, and then again directly I inserted a wire. So the problem was same again. The skin watch blinking. I mean, it was blinked first time, and then again go back to normal mode. That's the main problem which I'm facing. So guys, everything is fine. There is something wrong with phone itself. It's not with adapter. Adapter is working really fine here. Adapter pointer is also working fine, and it does not have any problem. The only problem is happening with is the watch itself. So I don't know what to do. It's not that much old. It's almost, I mean, almost 1 year has passed, and it was costly watch here. I got it almost, it costed me almost $170 in Indian rupees. Is almost like 10,000 rupees. So that was the case. Now it has version 2.0, but that price is also high. It's showing price almost $119 in my country. If you go on Gearbest, you will find this smartwatch. Price is high, but compared to price, the quality is not that much here. First I thought maybe it's first first time when I received at my smartwatch in my hand, so it's not look that much of quality here compared to other companies, Samsung or anything. I know the Samsung is other companies are expensive, but Xiaomi is known to have a great quality with cheapest price. So I have seen lots of Xiaomi official video, and every video they are saying that you have to clean regularly clean, and which I did not know. And also they are saying it's water resistance, but I use it as normal as waterproof. It's not that I do swimming. It's not true. I'm not doing swimming. I just sometimes it's just wet when I'm taking bath. So that is the case. Adapter is working fine. Phone is not working. Sorry, smartwatch is not working. It's just giving this city black skin. I hope you automatically just. I hope it's automatically fixed. If it happens, you will get. So guys, that's it. If you have any idea about this, if you can help me, or if you have any suggestion, you can give. So I will try on this smartwatch. And last result is that if it's not working, if it will not work, then I will unbox it a smartwatch. I disassemble that. I make another video what is inside that. It's really great watch here. In small size they fitted almost everything: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4GB RAM, processor, LCD, LED. I mean, what is not is there? Almost everything is there. So guys, thanks for watching. If you think it's what like, please like, and if it's not, please dislike. If you want to give me any favors, you can subscribe my channel. And okay, bye.